Hi, I'm Ron with Cruising This Old Boat, and today I'm going to show you how to change the impeller on a Rainman Watermaker. So last night I went to make some water, and the little level indicator that rides in this tube here just fluctuated up and down, and you just couldn't get it to stabilize at all. So there's a variety of reasons that could cause that, but one of them is your impeller. So we're going to check the impeller and see if it needs to be replaced, and if so, we're going to replace it. Before you begin the process of removing the old impeller and installing a new one, always make sure that the unit is unplugged from power so that you don't accidentally turn it on while you have your fingers up in the rotating parts. The impeller on a portable Rainman Watermaker is easy to access. It's right behind the canister that holds your pre-filter, so the first step is just to remove that canister. As soon as you remove the canister, you can see this odd-shaped plate. That is the cover for the impeller housing. The 3 bolts on the impeller housing require a 7mm socket to remove them. Remove the cover, and the impeller is exposed. As you can see, this impeller is toast. To remove the impeller, just use a pair of needle nose pliers. Just reach in and grab the bushing and pull it out. Make sure you get all the pieces of the impeller with it. The Rainman Watermaker uses a Jabsco Profile D impeller, and you should always keep one of these as spare on the boat. Next, you want to take out the new impeller and insert the little set screw all the way through the impeller, and that requires a number 2 metric Allen wrench. Next, you want to take the supplied lubricant and lubricate the impeller. Once you have the impeller lubricated, simply insert it back into the housing, making sure that the set screw is lined up with the slot on the shaft. You probably will have to move the fins out of the way to get it in place. Push it in. Make sure it's all the way in. The new impeller comes with 2 types of gaskets, either an O-ring or a flat gasket. But my impeller uses the O-ring, so that's all we're going to use today. Remove the old O-ring. Now that may still be in the channel on the housing, or in my case it was stuck to the cover. So remove that. Then you're going to take the new O-ring and you're going to place it in the channel on the housing. Once that's done, replace the cover. Tighten down the bolts. Be careful not to over tighten, as you'll strip them. Put your pre-filter into the canister and reinstall your canister. And then you're ready to go. That's all there is to changing the impeller on the portable Rainman Watermaker. It's a fairly simple, straightforward job. Doesn't take very long at all, just a few minutes. Whether it's good, bad, or otherwise, every year you should replace it.